everyone, welcome back to my channel Saloni Vlogs. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you my drawing. It's first video of my drawing, and this drawing is completed by poster colors. वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोग मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें एंड बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कर लें. चलिए देखते हैं. Start the gradient with purple poster color. Now the next color of the sky is red poster color. Blend the color together in each other. The next one is orange. Blend it with the red. I added another layer of purple. Paint the rest of the sky with the last color, yellow. Dry it. Now, time to make a trace from black color. First, the ground is painted. Paint the silhouette of trees. Next, tap silhouette for making leaves of trees. Taking a hard brush and tap. Next, paint some brushes as well. This time, paint some bird silhouette trees. Using white gel pen to make sun. done our drawing. It's looking nice. Tell me in comment that how it is. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment.